Here's why the battle between Federal Reserve Governor Lisa Cook and President Trump matters. It's normal for the president and the Federal Reserve to battle regarding the appropriate policy rate, the level of short-term interest rates that influences longer-term interest rates. Presidents always want lower interest rates because it helps juice the economy and helps their party. But the responsibility of the Federal Reserve as an independent body is to figure out, well, what is the appropriate level of monetary policy? And it's difficult. Nobody really knows what the right level of interest rates is to ensure maximum employment and stable prices. Federal Reserve makes mistakes all the time, which is why we had a very high level of inflation 3 or 4 years ago. But if that independence is compromised, and that's why there are staggered terms, very long terms for members of the Federal Open Market Committee, governors of the Federal Reserve, to avoid politicization of the Federal Reserve. Because what happens when the central bank is compromised is you get what we saw in Lebanon, in Venezuela, in Turkey. You get much higher interest rates and potentially collapsing currency because investors, households, businesses have to price in the uncertainty and the fact that a central bank is been politicized and is making political decisions, not making the best decisions they can given the circumstances. So what do you think? Should the president be able to fire a Federal Reserve governor and compromise the process, even for cause? Let me know in the comments.